How to get the best free phone number using Google Voice.
Hey guys, this is I Got Answers, here to answer some of your questions about things that you've been trying to do.
First, we do an online search for Google Voice. Then we click on the first option. On this screen, we have an option for personal use and an option for business use. Let's first explore the option for business use. We'll scroll through this page to see what the business phone has to offer. As we see, the business phones have a price of starting at $6 and it goes up. But what we're looking for is a free option. Let's go back and choose the phone service for personal use. Since we're on a computer, we're going to choose the web option from the drop-down. Here it says, "Welcome to Google Voice, a free phone number to take control of your communication. By continuing, you accept the terms of service and privacy policy." Press Continue. Here is where we get to pick a free local phone number by entering your zip code in the box. Be sure to pick a number from the list that is easy to remember and easy for your customers or family to remember. Next, we'll verify the number that we picked. To complete setup and start using Google Voice, you need to verify your existing number. Enter an existing mobile or home phone number. Inbound calls to your Google Voice number will be forwarded to this number. Now press Send Code. Enter the 6-digit code and press Verify. At this point, the phone number that you picked is all yours and ready to be used. Congratulations, you now have a phone number using Google Voice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.